Every time the bell rings on the New York Stock Exchange these days, a lot of people are holding their breath. The U.S. markets rebounded a bit today, but there's still a lot of nervousness about the future of insurance giant AIG. Markets calmed on speculation there could be some sort of help to save AIG, but some big names are not in favor of a government bailout.
I don't think they should be bailed out by the federal government. I'll tell you what we should do. We should try to correct the problems that caused this.
Greed and excess and corruption is beset Wall Street. They've treated it like a casino, and they need to be held accountable.
The stomach-churning week of financial crisis has people thinking about their investments.
How's your mutual fund doing? You're
not very good.
Yeah?
And am I worried about it? Yes.
Oh, I'm really worried about my retirement fund. I was bragging about it 2 weeks ago, and today I've got nothing hardly left in it. Yes, I'm very upset.
A local economist says the U.S. officials may be trying to draw a line in the sand faced with so many companies looking for bailouts.
To bail out a private enterprise for the mistakes it makes will simply promote careless behavior in the future. So better for us to suffer the short-term pain, allow the U.S. financial system to clean itself up, and understand that they have to be a little more prudent in their future activities.
It has been a very difficult week. People in markets around the world trying to decide, hold on tight or sell now.
The old tradition is that, oh, we're in for the long term, but is this the time to sell?
Yeah. Well, the retail investor is notorious for selling at exactly the wrong time, when the fear is maximum. His history shows that time and time again that these are frequently the best times to purchase, although that's not to say that this is the time to purchase. It's just, what can you say?
If you don't need to sell, don't sell. You know, I mean, that's always the good advice, isn't it?
So be prepared, folks. It's coming our way, and it's coming to Ontario, Toronto first.
Are you worried about your mutual funds or retirement funds this week? I try not to look. Are you holding on? Is that your...
I'm holding on. I'm suffering with all the rest of you, believe me.